Yo, what's going on? Yo, sorry, man, I've been busy. I've been busy, busy, busy. Yo, the low board is popping, yo. I've been seeing, man, record highs of lows on the board. 65,000 loads on the board, 67,000 loads. Paying good. They got loads from Ohio going back to the East Coast for 2 grand. Stuff going down south to North Carolina for 1,400. Stuff coming back up to up. I see stuff from South Carolina going to Dover, Delaware for almost $3,000. There's a lot of loads on the board, man. It's popping, man. It's uh, not sure. This is just because people are. Let me see. Everybody started open back up, so there's a rush for products to go back to their stores. So don't know how long it's gonna last. Maybe it's gonna last till next. Maybe it's gonna keep lasting for a couple months. I'm not sure. But what I can tell you is that it is popping. Uh, you could easily make $5,000 a week, easy or more, on this low board the way it is right now. I apologize for the dirty window, but I mean I ran out of windshield fluids. So, but it ain't about that, man. It's about letting you guys know how it's doing over here. I'm currently on the New Jersey Turnpike and headed north. And I was looking at some lows coming from Buffalo, New York the other day. It was paying $1,400 to come back over here to the East Coast. Those lows usually pay about $1,000. So that's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? My bad. That's pretty good. Paying 1,400. Now Lowe's going to Ohio a few months ago, which of course is, it was coronavirus. I mean it's still out here, but I'm telling you, when this happened or before, Lowe's going up there wasn't that much. But Lowe's are, I mean, these rates are super high, man. These are super high. It's been a while since I seen lows coming from North Carolina back up to the East Coast for 18, $2,000, $2,500. It's been a long time. But like I say, I mean, how long is this gonna last? This been going on. These rates been going up for a few months now, and I think it's because a lot of people are short products up here. Because everything just opened up, and everybody was buying, 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 and you know, these companies ran out of supplies. They ran out of supplies and stuff like that. So, that's why I guess it's so busy, and I guess it's lack of trucking too. I mean, lack of not trucking, lack of truck drivers, and I be having 15 agents call my phone sometimes a day. It's getting a little bit crazy, but man, you could book some lows out there, man. You could book some lows out there. I've been looking every day, man. I mean, I'm still doing my regular route, but I got buddies doing loads, man, for some good money. And I've been so busy, man. I apologize. I haven't did a video. I got some screenshots of how many loads how many loads they had per day and stuff like that. I mean, it was just even 3 years ago when I first started, there wasn't no 67,000 loads on the board. This is like almost every day. There's over 60K loads aboard. For a few weeks now, whatever, a week and a half or whatever. And I don't know, man. I'm not telling you to come over here or what, but I'm just giving you guys an update. An update to what the low board is looking like. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try to do a video this week to show you guys. I want to show you guys it because it's been a while since I did a low board video like that, and the race been crazy, man. So that's why I wanted to tell you guys. But right now, I'll tell you right now, anybody on the board, if you ain't making $5,000 a week, man, please call me. I could try to give you a hand. I could search some. I could, do some one-on-one stuff. Help you book some loads if you can. Uh, I do what I can, but it's no way you shouldn't be bringing home 5 grand. 5 grand. Let's see, It should no way you should be bringing home no more than no less than 5 grand a week right now, man. The way these rates are is ridiculous, man. I was looking at some loads going to Ohio and back. That was gonna be $3,000 right there, line haul. That's line haul. I mean, I could do another load going back and forth, and that's easy 5 grand right there, man. And man, and the thing is, you could tell. One thing I noticed, you could tell that the rates are high. It's because you see a load there for $1,000. 2 hours later, it goes to $1,200. This and 2 hours later, it go to $1,400. This haven't happened for a while now. I guess just short truckers. The short lack of truckers, and it's too much freight for people to haul, and that's why it's paying so good because they gotta be so good because that way you can try to find a driver to haul it for you. So I mean, everything is doing good. I know I got a couple guys over here, and they say that everything's on fire, man. People not even taking days off. People are running hard just to get this money right now. Uh, easy, you could easily make $20,000, 20,000 a month, yo, easy. I mean, that's what I'm doing right now. So I mean, I ain't really busting my ass. So the money's there, man. And sorry for the long weeks. I mean, I haven't did a video, but yo, man, trust me, man. Listen to my words, bro. This stuff is popping. I'm gonna try to do a video so I can show you guys this. And there's money out there, man. So look at me. I'm Sunday. I'm running. I gotta go to Staten Island. Then I gotta go back to Jersey, and then I gotta go to Connecticut. I'm making over $1,000 a day to the truck, easy today. I could tell you how much I'm making later on when I stop, but easy making over $1,000 a day today. But enjoy your weekend, and you guys be safe out there, man. And I know I got a free request to do loads and searches and stuff. I mean, I haven't got to it because I just been running hard, man. It's been so hard to do this and also run. So bear with me, man, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. So you guys be safe out there. Thank you.